So that makes a lot of sense that you're trying to rely on system that can free up a lot of time.
This is really this. I mean, I realize that you can be skilled, you can have all the expertise. At one moment, you will be limited if you're not building systems. And building systems, if you're not a technical guy, or if you're not, or even if you're not kind of a process guy, which I am absolutely not, it's almost impossible to build. So when you understand this and you know what kind of tool will help you, I mean, then I mean, the tools will create some system for you already done. You just need to add little stuff around that tool that will allow you to save time and grow your business.
But before you started using SalesMind, what was the biggest challenge you faced when doing lead generation for your clients?
So for me, it was never really a problem of setting up the right campaign. For me, it was super important to, at one moment, to arrive to save time on running those campaigns. I've been for a long time doing that manually, message after message, for each of my clients. So sometimes it was taking 10 hours a day or 11 hours a day, but it was producing really good results. And a couple of years ago, I mean, not couple of years, approximately 1 year and a half ago, I say it's not possible to continue like this. I mean, I'm spending too much hours. My creative mind can have some limits also. And yeah, there is this AI stuff, you know, and maybe I can use it or implement my methodology in some AI.
Do you have any doubts before trying it? And what made you decide to go for it anyway?
I would say I've been bluffed by the communication of the AI, and if I go back to this communication, I've been really a bad ass during that conversation, because the starting was not perfect. The starting was kind of I mean, for a lead generator like me with the background, I was like, that doesn't sound right, you know, but it was inviting all the time to a conversation, an open conversation. And even if I've been really bad at the beginning, the way the way it handled the bad, I mean, my very kind of harsh reply answer was perfect. You know, was perfect at one level that I say, no, it's not possible. It's AI.
That you're using SalesMind, what changed and what kind of result are you getting for your clients?
So it's going to be a little bit counterproductive what I'm going to say. So I don't see a really increase of the result that I had already before. That say, it saved me tons of hours. So I have the same results, and I have some campaign working much better. But I have same result or much better. I don't have bad, worse results. This is already a good point. But similar and much better, but spending much less time on it. So for me, it's a winner situation.
The result from your client, can you share here some of the results that you're seeing in terms of
I can share. Yeah, let me just have a look. So it's it is I'm just explain to you. So basically, it's someone in Dubai working in a wealth management. Wealth management, it's a very complicated, because you are contacting people and say, hey, do you want to be rich, or do you want to so creating a campaign for wealth management, it's super complicated, because you never know how the people will react. So in this case, I would say sales mind. It's a killer. It's a killer because I will never get a result like this. Let me just have a look. If we go here, like accept an invitation, and it is not a blind invitation. So it's comes with a message created by sales mind. So
Okay.
it's not like sending connection requests, but the results are amazing. I mean, 690 invitation sent over the last month, 436 acceptance.
Wow. That's great result.
So that's 63% acceptance rate with a message, an initial message. That's, I mean, I never seen that. I mean, even for me, I never seen that. The good part of Sales Mind, I would say, is that you can create very long campaign, and every time, like you can even create a campaign. That I was thinking recently, say, there is a lot of people. It's not a good moment, or they are busy, or they are on something else. But if you schedule like every month a little touch, you know it can bring one time someone say, oh yeah, I have the time, let's go on a call. It's not because someone doesn't reply that is not interested. There is thousand of reason, but I guarantee if you don't use a tool like this, or like SalesMind, um, you will never follow up like this every month, a little touch and an accurate touch, without you thinking like, okay, and what is new in his profile, or letting the AI looking at what is happening in this profile, or he connect with someone, or he posts something, and then every single month having a little touch, or just visit the profile, because that's also a possibility. Visit the profile. um I don't know all other stuff, but we can go really further, like make a comment or put a like, or those little touch, then send a message. Send like it's going to be New Year's. Maybe your campaign, it's like 12 months, and New Year's will come. Like, say this month is going to be to New Year's. Say Happy New Year. Just simple Happy New Year's. A little touch.